And let's put some ink on those. And I'm not going to follow those lines all the way up. I'm just going to give a suggestion that goes all the way up. Here we go. Now, I'm going to take the brush again. Oh, let's do it again. Let's stay inside the lines this time. All right, let's see. Am I done? Let's close the bottom of this sleeve. Got to have some darkness inside that sleeve as well. And what happened to the bottom of the sleeve, I wonder? What happened to the bottom of this sleeve? All right, let's erase the ink lines that come in front of that sleeve. So I think maybe it's too oval shaped. So my daughter went to the prom this weekend as well. Did I mention that? They met in order to take pictures, and all the parents were there, and it was like paparazzi. It was like parental paparazzi is what it was. We all met at this one location, popular location, to take pictures where I live, and it was like jockeying for position. It was like, look over here, look over here, look over here, look over here. Mr. President, Mr. President, Mr. President. They don't do that anymore, do they? I don't hear people yelling at the president to give a statement. I don't know when that happened, when that stopped. Why did that stop? Let's do this. Let's do this experimentation in pencil again. More pencil. Okay, that's the answer. That is the answer. Just wanted to make sure that that was the answer, folks. All right, running away in a huff. Running after his brothers. What is next? All right, there's this man. There's this man from Shechem. Shechem. Watching this whole thing happen, ensue, right in front of him. Starting with the eyes. And then with the nose. So this is one of those figures that are way in the back, way in the background, so I'm not going to give so much detail to these lines. As a matter of fact, I should draw everything as if I'm seeing it at 66%. because that's what a real comic page is going to be printed at. But it's so hard. It's so hard. So hard to not put in the detail, put in the work that has to be done on most figures. So the building, I work in a brand new building. Well, not brand new to me. I mean, yes, that's what I meant. Brand new to me. It's not like it's a brand new building. It's been there for ages, but it's the this is the third building that I've been sent to for my job. So it is a long walk from the parking lot. It's a long walk from the other building that I usually work at. Actually, only half the time do I work at this building now. So it is in the city. It is in, downtown, but the nearest place to buy lunch, if you forgot to bring your lunch, the nearest place to buy lunch is like 15 minutes away, walking. And my car is parked way far away because that's the parking that I can afford. The parking that I can afford is 19 minutes away. So I asked my supervisor, trainer, boss, I said, I forgot. I brought a salad. I forgot to bring some things. Is there some place I can buy something around here? And he says, well, you could go to the other building, which is 15 minutes away. I was like, no. He made other arrangements. He did help me out. He helped me to borrow some things from another part of the building, because nobody actually comes into the building anymore. Nobody actually goes to the building to work anymore, except for me, a few other people. So